Okay, me and Chong found a new trail. It's supposed to be a new nature walk. I was hoping to find some kind of interesting animal, but it is a beautiful area. I do hear birds in the mist. They do have really unique birds in these reservations. But sometimes they come out, sometimes they don't. So I don't know what to say. I guess it is what it is. But Chong, he's had 2 water breaks. We walked quite far out because I was trying to find a new area. My brother and me soon will be scouting new locations together. Just to liven up things for everybody. See, he wants to go all deep in here. I already got like 20 mosquito bites from yesterday. I'm not trying to get any more mosquito bites. I think they're trying to bite me from my pants. Watch out for the mosquitoes. Okay, we're here at a different spot where the river goes another way. And it's another trail. It's really pretty. And there's Chong looking ahead. He's always up for adventure. He's an adventurous dog. It's getting kind of late, so I'm trying to get as much footage as I can before it gets too dark. But it's really pretty. I haven't seen one critter, but I found new areas. I don't know, maybe